Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA, Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very impressive movement today on Boeing. Gapped up, slight little pullback, and then spent the first 30 minutes just basically going straight up, and then continued to go straight up for essentially the first almost 2.5 hours, and then finally pulled back a little bit here. But I state the obvious when I say that overall the bulls clearly won the day. But there's a couple of areas that I'm very curious about going forward. And the first level that I'll be watching, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, a lot of other people will be watching this area, is right here though at the 126.75 mark. In fact, let me change this to green to represent support, since that's what I usually use. And this is an area where you go through the history of things, and you can see this area acted as support. When the price fell below there, things got nasty. And then once again today, once the price got above it, you can see actually quickly acted as support there. And then late day today, once again, acted as support. In other words, maybe you could tell 126.75 has quite a bit of a history and a track record with this level. And a lot of people have noticed this. And I make that comment because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's going to be a level that longs and shorts and everybody in between are going to be watching. And they're going to be wondering, in the event the price rolls back over, is that level going to be able to hold? If not, then no such thing as a guarantee, but it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price pick up some downwards momentum to potentially at least work its way down to the 125 mark. So again, just because that level fails, I'm not saying this thing's going down to 122 to retest the lows, but it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price, like I said, pick up enough downside pressure to at least revisit the 125 mark and maybe even a little bit lower than that. So those would be the two main levels of support I'm watching. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch going forward remains right up there around the 130 mark. Sure, the price got above it today, but every single time it did, the momentum ran out relatively quickly, and the price, continually pulled back below that level. So watch that very closely. But all in all, good solid day from the bulls' perspective. So we'll see what brought on Friday and how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.